Do you forget topics you memorized? Do you like some subjects but dislike few? More than expected time to study is required. If I give you a supercomputer and ask you to operate it, you won't be able to use it efficiently. Similarly, you have a super powerful brain, but no one trained you how to use it for the best performance. You might be studying the wrong way. Let me share one of the best-selling 4.91 rated self-learning course, Memory Mastery, Secret of Unlimited Memory, Hindi. What you will learn. 1. How to utilize memory power to remember study content instantly. 2. How to study 10+ hours without getting tired. 3. How to stop procrastination and become highly productive. 4. Learn the unknown truth about learning. More than 900+ students benefited from this course. We offer a 100% risk-free money-back guarantee in 30 days. What are you waiting for? Enroll now and get a limited time, up to 90% discount. Check the link in the description box. Visit https://braingyan.in/topper.